You probably use it every single day, right? But today, we're actually pulling back the curtain on the magic happening right behind your Netflix screen. Welcome to This Explainer, where we're going to look at how their totally invisible AI concierge creates this highly addictive, completely personalized user experience just for you.
We've absolutely all experienced that dreaded moment of endless scrolling. You're just sitting there on the couch, flipping through rows and rows of shows, trying to find that perfect fit. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, how does Netflix almost always know exactly what you want to watch? Well, today, we're going to explore how this platform completely solves our decision fatigue just by analyzing our everyday habits.
All right, let's jump right into section one, the streaming magic, your invisible concierge. Netflix is, without a doubt, a master of personalized entertainment. It's not just a static library anymore. I mean, it's not like walking into an old Blockbuster video store where everybody sees the exact same VHS tapes sitting on the shelves. Instead, it's this incredibly dynamic system. It's powered by artificial intelligence that's just constantly working in the background to keep you engaged. Honestly, think of it as a super friendly, invisible concierge, and its only job is to figure out your movie tastes so it can give you the absolute best, most frictionless experience possible every single time you open the app. Which brings us to section two, predicting what you want, the data. So instead of bogging us down with complicated computer science, the system relies on something way simpler, everyday behavioral cues. It meticulously observes your viewing history, the ratings you hand out, and literally even the time of day you watch content to build your unique profile. Like, do you tend to watch lighthearted cartoons on Saturday mornings, but then switch to intense psychological thrillers on Friday nights? Well, the AI notices all of those little nuances to make your experience incredibly smooth and highly personalized. The really crucial point here is that the whole system is ultimately designed to predict and suggest content that aligns with your individual preferences. By processing all of these simple behavioral habits, the AI effectively anticipates what you're most likely to click on next. It completely takes the guesswork out of your hands, making the simple act of finding a movie feel, well, incredibly intuitive. Now for section three, customizing your thumbnails, visual appeal. Now, you might actually think recommending a title is where the AI's job ends, right? But the personalization goes so much deeper because it completely changes how that title visually appears on your screen. Let's say there's a brand new movie, and it features both a sweeping love story and some high-octane action. If your viewing habits show you're a die-hard romance fan, the AI is going to generate a thumbnail highlighting a dramatic kissing scene just to grab your attention. But if you're an action junkie, that exact same movie will be pitched to you with a thumbnail of a high-speed car chase. It's just an absolutely brilliant piece of personalization. And the scale of this is truly mind-boggling. The AI evaluates hundreds of individual frames from a single show or movie just to select the specific artwork that's most likely to resonate with your established viewing habits. It wants to catch your eye instantly with something it already knows you like so that the whole interface feels completely tailor-made just for you.
Okay, section 4. Why personalization matters, the ultimate goal.
So all of this invisible AI work builds into a really brilliant win-win strategy. It's a clear three-step process. Step 1, enhance user engagement. Step 2, ensure efficient content discovery. And step 3, reduce churn rates. Now, churn rates is essentially just business speak for keeping people from canceling their accounts. For you, the viewer, the benefits are super immediate and tangible. You spend vastly less time aimlessly searching and way more time actually watching. Because of these tailored recommendations and the custom thumbnails, you effortlessly discover fresh, exciting content that literally feels handpicked for you. It completely elevates your daily user experience from this frustrating hunt into a really relaxing escape. And on the flip side, consistent alignment with user interests maintains subscriber loyalty. By keeping you happy, engaged, and endlessly supplied with great content tailored specifically to your visual tastes, Netflix maintains your loyalty. This drastically reduces the chances of you ever wanting to hit that cancel button. It's really a perfect cycle of positive reinforcement. As we wrap up this explainer, I'm going to leave you with a really fascinating question to ponder. Are you choosing your next binge watch, or is the AI choosing it for you? It's kind of a fun little paradox to think about the next time you settle in on the couch. Who's really in the driver's seat during your next movie night? Thanks so much for joining me as we explored this, and I really hope it gives you a whole new appreciation for that invisible concierge working tirelessly right behind your screen.